Good morning, guys. It is 2nd of April 2026, and just as I said earlier, yesterday, कि जिम नहीं जाऊँगा. That is what happened. So पापा नहीं गए, मैं भी नहीं गया, मम्मी भी नहीं उठी, and I woke up quite late. I guess 8 बजे उठा रहूँगा मैं, and आई एम गोइंग ब्रेड लाने के लिए. मम्मी ने ब्रेड लाने के लिए बोला है, कुछ सैंडविच वगैरह बनाने वाले हैं. So I'll quickly bring bread and we'll have sandwich. Well, bread तो मैं लेके आया हूँ अभी, and we actually bring whole wheat bread, not मैदा वाला bread or brown bread, because it is good compared to other breads, right? So yeah, जल्दी से sandwich बनाते हैं, and we might have to go out again for shopping. So I'll see you guys later. So we have finely chopped tomatoes, onion, capsicum, ghee tossed potato, cucumber, and we have this green chutney. And yeah, this is whole wheat bread. It is 11:15 right now, and I was thinking to make dinner for my lunch for myself. Mummy and Didi, they have just left home for I don't know what, कुछ तो रहेगा शॉपिंग वगैरह, एंड पापा इज़ बिजी इन हिज ऑफिस वर्क, एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग टू मेक पनीर टिक्का, बट ऑफ कोर्स इन अ हेल्दियर वे. So when actually Instagram पे I saw a reel about this recipe, so I thought I'll make it, and I told ChatGPT about my plan, that I'm planning to make this in such way, and it said it is good, like you're eating paneer and stuff, and try to reduce oil वगैरह in your recipe. And it said, ChatGPT said कि you're eating paneer, that is fine, but paneer also has lots of fat, and if you wanna like reduce your fat percentage in your lunch, you try to eat only 100 grams of paneer and add soya chunks to it. Like, I don't know bro, it just makes me sad कि भाई एक तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू ईट पनीर, ऊपर से यू आर लाइक कि eat less paneer and include more soya, because सुबह के नाश्ते में जो तुमने खाया, it was not a good fat loss diet, because potato वगैरह था, and there were onion, capsicum, tomatoes वगैरह, so that does not add in protein वगैरह. So your breakfast had very less protein जो भी था वो ब्रेड में था, बाकी कुछ प्रोटीन का सोर्स ही नहीं था. एंड चैट जीपीटी जो बोला है कि इट इज़ पनीर इज़ नॉट मीन्स इट इज़ गुड इन प्रोटीन सोर्स, बट स्टिल इट हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ फैट्स वगैरह. सो भाई दिस इज़ वेरी सैड ब्रो. लाइक कम ऑन, आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल डाइटिशियन, ठीक है, आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल जिम पर्सन, एंड जस्ट अ रैंडम 20-year-old kid trying to eat healthy and maintain low fats वगैरह, trying to reduce my weight and stuff. ठीक है, I might just ignore ChatGPT for right now, but then it makes me question myself कि भाई जो ये बोल रहा है ChatGPT बोल रहा है, that is also right कि हाँ भाई उसमें है थोड़ा फैट्स ज़्यादा. बट देन अगेन समटाइम्स आई क्वेश्चन कि भाई मैं पूछ भी किसी को रहा हूँ, चैट जीपीटी को, राइट? लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर इफ उसका रिकमेंडेशंस आर अप टू पॉइंट, बिकॉज ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि डो नॉट आस्क एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ टू चैट जीपीटी वगैरह, बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव दैट सेंस. यू मस्ट आस्क अ डॉक्टर वगैरह. सो या दैट ऑल्सो थॉट क्रॉस्ड माई माइंड कि it is not a dietitian, right? But हाँ मतलब ऐसा है. But anyways ठीक है, I'll just make that paneer tikka recipe. It is gonna be fun. एक तो बात कैसा है ना, आज सुबह पापा sent me to bring bread, right? So he only said me to bring bread, and मैं उधर गया. I brought 250 grams of paneer and 250 grams of dahi, curd. And भाई while buying curd and पनीर ना, आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ अफ्रेड कि भाई पापा वगैरह क्या बोलेंगे, बिकॉज like for middle class people, affording paneer daily is not optimal, right? So मैंने सोचा कि ले ही लेता हूँ. लाइक आई वॉज हैविंग, क्या बोलते हैं, आई वॉज खुद को ऐसा क्वेश्चन कर रहा था कि भाई शैल आई बाई इट और नॉट, शैल आई बाई इट और नॉट, पापा क्या बोलेंगे, बिकॉज आई हैड नॉट इन्फॉर्म देम राइट कि आई एम ब्रिंगिंग पनीर. बट देन आई थॉट कि पापा ऐसा कभी कुछ बोलते नहीं है खाने के लिए. ही इज़ लाइक कि तू, तेको जो खाना है खा, अच्छा खाना है खा, डोंट ईट जंक, तुझे जो भी अच्छा खाना है खा. सो लाइक कि अगर नहीं लेके जाऊँगा सो बाद में वो बोलेंगे क्यों नहीं लेके आया. सो आई बॉट इट एंड दिस ChatGPT इज़ लाइक कि just eat 100 grams of paneer and include soya chunks in it. So let's make lunch for ourselves. Here we have capsicum, onion, one onion, thoda ginger garlic paste I'll make out of it, some finely chopped coriander. I also have some curd, इसका marination वगैरह बनाएंगे. Make sure your curd is not watery, otherwise it won't turn out good. And then I have some paneer. Well, this is 250 grams of paneer, but I won't be eating all of it. I'll have to share it between 3 other members. So yeah, this is what I'm planning to make. I'll just mix some spices in the curd and I'll make a marination out of it, and वो पनीर marination के लिए रख देंगे. I'll also be cutting these into cubes and वो भी marination में डाल देंगे. Then I'll take a pan, थोड़ा सा ऑयल डाल के उसमें I'll stir it, I'll saute it on low flame वगैरह. This is a simple recipe, little bit of oil. I'll try to use little bit of oil only. Let's see how it turns out. So it is ready now. I added a little bit of besan and lemon juice to it. वो रेसिपी में था and I totally forgot it. I'll keep it for a while for marination, half hour maybe, and pan पे then I'll saute it a little. Genuinely, the dish turned out to be very good, and unlike yesterday, where I added more oil because the soya chunks were sticking to the pan, I did not repeat the same mistake today. And yeah, the dish was really good. It has started to rain again. This is third consecutive day. भाई क्या हो गया है भाई पुणे को. दिस इज़ क्लाइमेट चेंज भाई, दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली क्लाइमेट चेंज. ऐसा पहले नहीं होता था. समर वॉज समर, रेनी सीजन वॉज रेनी सीजन, एवरीथिंग हैज़ चेंज. आई डोंट नो, लाइक ऐसा वेदर देखने में अच्छा तो लगता है समर में जब बारिश वगैरह आता है, बट एक्चुअल में दिस इज़ नॉट गुड. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. We are heading out right now, although it is raining quite heavily. हमें शॉपिंग करना है and दीदी has her I don't know सबसे कॉल चल रहा है, so only me, पापा and mom, they are going out. I think we'll go to Elpro, which includes Elpro Mall. I have to buy a kurta for Haldi, so yeah, I think that is what we are gonna shop for today. We left home at around 3 p.m. and it was raining heavily. On the way, we drank sugarcane juice and we left for Elbro. Well, we ended up buying nothing because it was very expensive and we came back home. We just came back home. I think it is 5:45 something, and Elbro Mall गए थे ना. So on the way back to home, mom was like कि आज बहुत कुछ तो खाने का इच्छा हो रहा है, लाइक समोसा वड़ा पाव वगैरह. So she was all ready to buy something, but I was like, कि nah, I'm not gonna eat it. So she also cancelled on it, and Papa was also like कि ठीक है मैं भी नहीं खाऊंगा. And I decided that I'll buy a protein bar for myself. मुझे लगा था it must be of 30-35 rupees. So we ditched samosa वगैरह, and इधर अभी when we came down सोसाइटी के मेडिकल में, I went to buy the protein bar. Turned out it was 70 rupees का just a bar. So इतना इतना नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते. So I gave up on it. We just came home, and mom and dad, they're having tea with biscuit, Parle G, and I think I'll just have a fruit. पेरू वगैरह है, and watermelon भी है. So yeah, that is what I'll have. For dinner, I had soya chunks in chili style, and a plate of curd and some handful of roasted chana. And mummy, didi, and papa, they ate शेवग्याचे शेंगा. I exactly don't know what to call it in English. And frankly speaking, जब मम्मी चपाती बना रही थी, I don't know bro, मुझे खाना तो आय वॉज लाईक की यार मला पण हवंय ते मलाही खायचं आहे. बट आय स्टक टू माय ओन डायट, and today was a little bit improved soya chili chunks. कल जो मैंने बनाया था, I almost added 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So आज I only added 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. So yeah, that was a great improvement, and I could not record or click a picture of it कारण मी genuinely विसरून गेलो. And वैसे भी भाई पेरेंट्स के सामने it becomes a little bit awkward. Anyways, आत्ता मला खूप भूक लागली आहे. मीन्स आय कॅन ऑलरेडी start to feel the hunger. I don't know why I'm hungry, but yeah, I am hungry. I'll quickly edit this video, and I'll sleep. झोपने आली तर मला भूक लागून जाईल, मेरा क्रेविंग्स वगैरह चालू हो जाएगा. टुमारो आई विल बी गोइंग टू जिम. आज आई स्किप्ड जिम, एंड genuinely yesterday गणेश दादा, we have a अखाड़ा group WhatsApp का, ठीक है. And yesterday he posted that congratulations buddy, you're doing great. Himanshu also commented on my video that Anish has great momentum and flexibility. He's developing great, means like he's doing well. And आज I skipped gym, so this thought came in my mind yesterday, that Dada was praising me, and today I skipped gym. But ठीक है, I already do 6 days of gym in a week, right? So it is fine if I skip one day. So yeah, this is it. I'll keep it short for today. कल maybe I'll be bringing chicken. I don't know. ऐसा प्लान तो बन रहा है, बट कल का कल देखेंगे. एनीवेज चलो, बाय बाय.